everyone, welcome back to my chatty, sassy corner here on YouTube where I talk about all things luxury, be it luxury fashion, luxury travel, or life's luxuries in general. Today I am hopping on without doing any type of makeup or anything like that because the last of my Nordstrom anniversary sale items have arrived, given that the last item that I ordered got canceled. And I decided to go ahead, hop on, unbox these things with you guys, and I've got a lot of boxes to unbox because I was able to get quite a few things that I wanted. So with that, let's jump into the try on and review portion of what I got from the Nordstrom anniversary sale, and let's see what actually fits and what I'll actually be keeping. So full disclosure, I filmed this video thinking we were going to have a lot of success. This video is no longer just an unboxing, it is an unboxing fail, as almost nothing is being kept from this, almost nothing worked for me in this. So popping this in, but let's go through all of these different Nordstrom anniversary sale fails, and hopefully this will make you feel better if you also had some bad luck with the sale this year. Okay, so three big boxes. And I think the easiest way to do this is I'm just going to be doing a lot of quick changes to show you guys what all is in them. All right, so first item, well, technically not in the sale, was on sale, so I'm counting it. This is the Eberjey sleep shirt, and I got it in the extra small because I don't think they make an extra small. And it's just kind of big and loose, a little bit too much for my comfort, particularly in like the sleeves and the neck area. Super soft, super great fabric, but I think had it been an extra small, it would have fit me just a little bit better. The sleeves are really hanging on me, and so first one, it's gonna go back. All right, item number 2, I did get the short set in the, I think this was like mocha tiger or something like that, in the short sleeve top and shorts. I'm gonna have to lower my camera so you can see the shorts. And shorts. So the shorts are, I guess, maybe a little bit shorter than I expected, because when the top comes down, it actually covers almost all of the short. As far as the shirt itself compared to the fit of the long sleeve, it does actually feel like the shirt is a little bit looser through the body as opposed to the long sleeve version, and part of that might just be that having the sleeve, you have sort of like a fabric buffer, but overall, true to size. The shorts definitely feel a little bit snugger in the hips than the pants do. They're also a little bit shorter than I anticipated. I was hoping that they were going to be longer than the top on me. On me, they're in the front, they're short as the top is. So because of that, these are going to go back. I was looking for something that would hit a little bit more mid-leg. Super great, just needs to go back because it's not the fit that I was truly looking for. So next up, this is the white Nordstrom shirt that I put on my guide, and this actually sold out before the regular general public. I was super bummed about that, but it came back in stock. And so it does have this nice darting, which I do really like because it makes it look fitted. What I don't like is that the sleeves here hang off my shoulder, and it makes the sleeves just look a little slouchy. And since I'm wanting this to wear professionally, well, I really like the body. I just don't think that the cut in the sleeves is what I'm going for. I do want to show the back seams if I can, because it does have a similar tuck in the back. So I do think that this is really, really great, but I have very narrow shoulders. So maybe if you're someone who has more of a regular width shoulder, this is going to fit you better, but it is going to ship back to Nordstrom. Oh, the other thing that I wanted to mention about this that I thought was a really great shirt is that it actually has hidden buttons. And so if you're someone like me who's a little bit more heavy in the bust and has an issue with shirts pulling, this one doesn't do that. But even if it did, I would very easily be able to put a safety pin in, and the safety pin would be hidden here because of this extra flap, making things lay a lot better in my personal opinion. I love when shirts do hidden buttons, so I am a bit bummed that this shoulder-wise is just a little bit too big. If I were to have the shoulder seams tailored, I think the sleeves would be a little bit too short. So unfortunately this one, again, another miss. And we finally have a hit. So this is the Duster cardigan, and this is so lightweight, but also so warm. It's open, it has no buttons, but it's got a very nice sleek fit to it. And the sleeves are a really good length. They're also very slim. Ignore the fact that I have a giant bright blue tank top on. It's the first tank top that I grabbed from my closet. But I really like this. I've gone on. They do have the plum and the gray still left in my size. I may try to order those. The one that I really want is the navy, and that's sold out. So I will probably be stalking the website for the navy. I got the extra small. Definitely runs true to size. This was a really, really good one. Now, the pants that I have on, as I lower my camera, and hope you can see the pants. So these are the live-in joggers, and these are not quite what I was expecting. I was expecting these to be fleece lined like my other live-in joggers, but they do have pockets, which is nice. I was just expecting these to be fleece lined for winter because that's what I'm really needing. I have black leggings that I wear when it's not so cool, but I did want to show the bottoms here are nice and tailored. The seat on these, I think because there's no felt in them, is a little bit loose and baggy compared to what my navy pair is. So the joggers, while nice, are not what I was looking for. I was looking for a fleece line jogger. These are not them. I had been wanting the cargo Zella legging, and they didn't have those. So they were sold out well before the general public sale. And those are the black ones that I really wanted. So these were sort of a second option anyway, but these are going to go back. The sweater is definitely going to stay though, because I think that it's very, very pretty. And if they're still out of the extra small, I will probably order the extra small in the navy, because that's how much that I really like this sweater. Now the other thing that I am keeping, but I don't have to try on, this is the Barefoot Dreams blanket. I got it, let me see if it tells me which color. I got it in the in the linen and warm gray color, and this is so soft. This is my busy season present to myself. When I am working during busy season, I like to be curled up under a blanket, and so I decided to get myself a nice new really fluffy blanket for upstairs in my office that would also be kind of pretty, because I have been using some blankets that do not come anywhere close to going in my office, so this will be a nice update and change for me. And I do really think that even though these blankets are expensive, I understand why people rave about them, because they are super, super nice and plushy. So very glad to have gotten this for myself. Now the final item, and unfortunately these are going to go back as well. These are the boots. These were another item that had sold out, and I was super excited to get these because these are waterproof boots, and I thought they were going to be really cute. They are a really good height. They aren't like the super, super short ankle boot. So I was right in that like your pants can totally tuck down in them. They look great. These are probably a half size too big for me. I went with a 7 because that's what came in. Probably needed a 6.5. That also being said, the other thing about them is that they weren't high enough of a heel for this height to look good on me. They weren't low enough of a heel for this height to look good on me. They sort of cut off my legs a little bit, I felt like, just because I'm more of a petite person. I'm very, very, very picky about how my boots look. And so I think that these are very nice boots. They were comfortable, but they were just a little bit too big. So for me, these are also going to go back. I am taking all of these things back by the time this video goes live. They will have already been taken back to Nordstrom. So hopefully everyone can take advantage of these if you are wanting them, and if you are my size, they should be back up for you guys to get, or it might be that my regular Nordstrom store, because I'm returning them in store to get them returned even faster, just puts them in the Nashville store. So be on the lookout for these if you were hoping for a pair, but they sold out before the general public sale. And then just kind of showing you what these look like on a little bit. They are really cute. The entire part of the band, when I stand up from the elastic jogger that hits the top of my ankle, does actually hide below this part of the boot, which is really, really great. Again, these are cute. They're a great color. So if you are looking for these, make sure to go ahead and get them. And I almost forgot the other no from me. These came in and I was super disappointed. I had recommended them on my video, but in person, they did not hold up. These are the earrings that I had recommended that were the purple that I thought would be good for work. I knew the stone color online looked mismatched. They are definitely mismatched in person, but online they looked more crystal. And these are definitely, if it'll focus, more of a stone than a crystal. And I think that they just look really cheap. So that's it for my Nordstrom anniversary sale haul. The item that I had ordered that got canceled was the Reese button sweater that I'd put in my video. I loved that sweater. I was super excited when one came back in stock. When I hit order, it said confirmed, and then it said sold out. And so I was like, great, I'm the one who got it. Apparently not. And so just really kind of disappointed on that. Really disappointed, honestly, in everything that I ordered from the Nordstrom sale. I had so much better luck last year. The only things that weren't actually sold out when I did my initial order was the black sweater, the short pajamas, and the blanket. So everything else was sold out, and I've been waiting for it to come back in stock. So that could have been part of it, is that the stuff that I wanted and a lot of the things that I wanted never have come back in stock. So I think that that's probably part of it, is that I was able to actually get a lot of things that I wanted last year as opposed to this year. But kind of disappointed, just nothing really fit quite right. Nothing really got me overly excited. The sweater did, the blanket did, so those two are staying, but every other item that I ordered is going back, which great for my credit card statement, not great for my closet, but thankfully I didn't necessarily need anything. These were just things I was really excited about. But hopefully you guys had better luck than I did. Maybe you were in the same boat as me. Either way, comment down below either your successes or your failures from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. And hopefully this video was a bit of fun and had you guys at least smiling at the way that nothing worked for me. So with that, I hope you have a great rest of your day, everyone. Bye.